Hi there. Let's take a look at creating groups. Once you begin editing, you may find yourself with a lot of separate clips to manage. A few snips here and there and some pictures and audio, and your timeline can start to look cluttered and become difficult to manage whenever you make a move. One way to make managing your timeline easier and to avoid editing errors is to create groups. A group is basically just a bunch of clips that have been stuck together, sort of like throwing a bunch of books in a box. This makes it really easy to move a bunch of clips without messing up your timeline. Here is a group right here. Okay, you can see there are 5 clips there. If you click the plus sign, here we go. But as long as it is grouped, I can just move them together very easily and they're not gonna get out of sync with each other. Now, to create a group, first you select the clips you want to include in the group by holding down either the Control key or the Shift key and then click. Okay, that's how you select each of the clips. Alright, once you've got your clips selected, right click on any of the selected clips and choose group. Here you go. That's how to group clips together. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.